Hey, what's up guys? This is Rong-Hao from TU Eindhoven. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make educational toys with Lego bricks and the OpenNFCSense API. What I'm gonna introduce is extremely simple and safe, so please definitely try it at home. What you need for this tutorial are a piece of cardboard, some Lego bricks, and some Duplo blocks with printed symbols, an Arduino Uno board, a cheap RC522 NFC reader, and a few NFC tags that you can get from an electronic shop online. You also need a PC or a laptop with Arduino, processing, and OpenNFCSense for processing library installed. Your Arduino board should have the NFC reader connected and the Arduino code uploaded. If you haven't got it ready, please check episode 0 after this video. First of all, we put a tag sticker on a 4x4 Lego brick. If you don't have a 4x4, you may use other brick models such as a 2x4 to make a thicker 4x4 brick. Next, we snap the tagged Lego brick to the bottom of the Duplo block. You may be surprised that the Lego brick and Duplo block are compliant with each other. Moreover, this one's very safe as there's nothing electronic at the surface. Let's move to processing. We use the first example single tag rotation like what we did in episode 1. We register all the tags in the tag profile.csv, which is in the data folder of the sketch folder. For more details about registering a tag to the example code, please check episode 1 after this video. Now, it's time to combine this block to make them more useful. We can use a linear Duplo block to fix multiple blocks at once so that we can scan all of them through a swipe. This can be made easier with the physical track that allows blocks to slide on it. The track can be made with just a piece of cardboard with an NFC reader fixed to the back. Make sure that the antenna is at the center of the track, which is between 3.2 and 4 cm width. You can also use Lego bricks to make a more polished and durable one. Both tracks will work. Now, we can use the blocks in many educational applications. With blocks of alphabets, we can teach language. With blocks of numbers, we can teach mathematics. Combining numbers and symbols, we can teach abstract concepts like quantities. Also, we can customize new functions with the blocks made by ourselves. Last but not least, we can teach a programming language with carefully designed widgets, such as a for loop widget. And a while loop widget. So guys, that's a wrap. I hope you got some excitement to start your own project. Feel free to share what you made in the comment below. We've just introduced the simplest way of using the NFCSense API, but there's still a lot to explore. Feel free to check our website and have a look at our OpenNFCS CHI 2021 paper to get a preview. The next episode will be about making toy cars more interactive. You may subscribe to my channel to follow it when it's out. But that's it for this video. See you in the next one. 偷偷跟 Kia，我们下次见。